All right, there goes the rest of my family. We had a pretty good mushroom hunt today, albeit short. I'll show you what we found. All right, I think this is a western grisette. It's definitely an amanita, you can tell from that cup part at the bottom, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to risk it. Really pretty mushroom. And then right next to it, this is really cool. I think this is one that's just hatching. You can see that universal veil, and then the top of the mushroom trying to come out. Well, this was a really nice surprise. These are pig's ear mushrooms. Here's one that I already pulled out of the ground. You can see that pretty distinctive color. Decent sized mushroom, and they're really, really good eating. So I was excited to find this, and as I look around, I see some other patches of them, so that's great. I'm gonna get some of these out of the ground, and yeah, I'll give you a look later. This is cute. Look at this one. There we go, if I can get that out of the ground, okay. Something gilled. Huh, I have no idea. I have to look that up. That's interesting. Cool. Alright, so I just had to show you this. This is a coral mushroom. And I don't think the colors you can see through the screen really do it justice. It is so bright. Such a cool mushroom. They are edible. I've eaten them before, but not really my favorite, so we'll just leave this one in the woods. Really neat to see, though. Alright, so we're back, and we have ourselves a little collection of pig's ears mushrooms. These mushrooms aren't real well known as far as edibles go, but I think they're actually great. And they're pretty common, and they're pretty easy to identify. If we look at one here, you can see it has that beautiful kind of purplish underside, and it's just tan on top, so that makes it pretty easy to identify. One issue you come across with these mushrooms is that they are fairly susceptible to bug damage. And you hear mushroom hunters sometimes talk about bug damage. What do we mean? Well, the bugs get in there, and you can see if you look at the stalk here, they've gotten in there and kind of eaten their way up the stalk. Now, the little bugs that get in there won't really hurt anything, but it's not very appetizing. So some of these, I think, have some damage. Some of these, though, like this one right here, if we look at the underside, actually it's not bad at all. That looks pretty good. So I think we'll be able to salvage most of this. I won't know till I cut it up a little bit smaller, but we're going to go from there and see how it looks. Well, I was able to salvage quite a few. Could have done more if I was hungrier, but this will work just fine. I was a little bit squeamish about the bugs. Anyway, there we go. All right, so here they are. I guess we could call this the vegetarian version of pig's ears. A really neat mushroom you can find in the Pacific Northwest. One thing I always want to add to these videos about mushrooms, I hope it goes without saying, but if you're going to harvest wild mushrooms, please be absolutely certain of your identity. Don't want to risk eating something that you don't intend to eat. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.